good, but it's very. We cannot get any some knowledge,
Right,
so ability to find somewhere. Yeah.
That's garlic. That's it.
Is that garlic?
Yeah. Garlic and
Is that their style of like low boy?
yeah.
I don't think that one detaches. No.
It's gonna be. I feel like it's gonna be States every.
Are you leaving?
I'm leaving.
So here, you know, anybody could go in your room with this. Hold on, I'm at my room. This is literally, every room has its own garage door, and that's the security. And you just kind of shut it like so to keep people out so that they can't push the button and get into your room. And then you come up the little dark staircase. The light will come on by itself. You hit that button. Oh, that didn't focus good. You hit that. And she lets you in your room. Just like that. And then it'll lock you in here and you can't get out until you hit the button right here that says room out. I got trapped in here last Oh, it was an experience. But yeah, anybody can come in your room unless, well, while you're not here, it's kind of, I don't know, but it's got all these, it's all fancy. You can and none of the, they said there was a plug there. Oh, there is a plug there. So this is what you have to do to charge your phone. You got to have this fancy adapter that your plug will plug into, then your USB, and then there's no outlets, and then that's your next problem. And then obviously all your controls are in Korean, so you have no idea what the remote does. There's the outlet they were talking about. But this doesn't work, so luckily there's a USB on the computer there and I could charge my phone that way. Tub. Window with no blinds so everybody can stare at you. And then this is what kicks me the most. Oh shit. I got yelled at the first night for coming in here. You're supposed to take your boots off right here. Evidently it's bad to go over that line with your boots on. I got yelled at. So your shower is right here. Then your toilet's back there. So if you take a shower, the floor is all soaking wet. So if you got to go on a midnight potty run, you got to walk through a nice wet floor to get to your toilet. So I used all the little mats to dry me a path. But other than that, it's pretty cool. So we'll be in this hotel for, let's see, what is it? It is Wednesday night. I'm 13 hours ahead from back home. So we were here last night and tonight. And then tomorrow night we'll be back in the hotel I was in Monday night. And then I don't know what we're doing Friday night. We'll figure it out there. But this one's cool. It's just not secure. I don't know what happens if the power goes out because you can't get out. See? I don't know about that. But yeah, somebody walked in on me yesterday. It's whatever. Okay. Look at that roller on that
yeah.
truck. That's pretty. Like, how in the world did they get that on there?
I don't know. No binders or chains.
No, there's just gravity. Gravity holds everything on.
They had a like a 3x3.
But they love it. Looks like what, the 7 or 8 ton minis.
Yeah,
You just see them everywhere in those trucks.
Yeah,
What are they, 6 or 7 tons?
yeah. 6, I think.
Yeah.
Is it-
Mainly the 5 ton.
Oh, mainly
5 ton?
5 to 6 ton is the main.
The main size they use.
Because this kind of truck.
Yeah, that's what it can hold.
This is very well organized.
Yeah.
Everywhere, just 5 ton. It's one.
But the ones that have 6, that's a 5 ton instead of 6 ton?
Actually, the 5.5. Yeah.
Oh, 5.5. Yeah.
It's about the same size as the EMR I have.
Yeah. Yep.
We got a tractor dealer up here.
Yeah. Got a lot of tractors.
Yes, sir, there's a manufacturer. One survey and then sometimes a training, sometimes exhibition and motion show.
Yeah.
Very strange because I did some kind of business trip, so many the cycle trip around Europe market and then just west side,
Yeah.
but not east side.
Right.
So just the last time is my second time to America. So my whole 20 years experience
Really? Yeah.
is a problem.
Did you enjoy machine and bear? Big one. No, it's a Volvo.
So it's finally time to head out. It's like 6 o'clock. Let's see, Saturday morning here, which makes it 6 p.m. Friday where I'm from. So everybody's winding down back home and we're winding up to head home. We have about 28 hours of travel today because our connecting flight, we're in Changwon now. We're going to Seoul and then we're going to go from Seoul to Detroit. And then I would catch a flight out of Detroit back home to North Carolina, but the plane from Seoul got delayed like 5 hours, so now we missed that connecting flight, so we are going from here to Seoul to actually Tokyo in Japan. We have a good little layover there, then I'm going to Atlanta and then back home, so like 28 hours of travel. It's still nice and dark outside. Can you even see the little work truck down there? That's like all their work trucks around here. And you can't see it now. But anyways, I'll get some video as we head out. It's been a fun experience and I'll explain a little more later.